Sausaw mo ha. Sausaw mo sa ketchup ha. Gusto ko may ketchup.
Daddy's tired from work.
No, baby, it's too young.
No, thank you.
Oh, daddy, oh.
Ketchup lang yung kipa. Daddy, ketchup. Dip mo muna, dip. Okay. Be gentle. Daddy's tired.
More.
Be gentle, ate. Naku. Sulit na kay Shaila. Sige na, you give daddy some. You feed daddy.
Sinasusa, No,
I got this amazing gift this Christmas. It was unique. It was incredible. This Christmas, surprise them with something different. Give
Okay.
Di malaki naman.
Juiciest strawberries.
Okay na,
Maghintay
natip
ka
na.
kasi.
Choose from over 50
Daddy, just say more.
for Christmas.
You say more kasi.
Unique gifts. I have
Diyos ko, pinapasipsip pa yung
with
kamay.
this special offer. Get a
That's nasty, man. Ayaw nadudumi yung kamay.
May ketchup eh.
Dip mo, dip. Then give daddy some.
berries.com. Click the link in the upper right corner and enter code
That's daddy, that's with daddy. Daddy's tired.
or double the berries for only $9.99 more.
Bait mo naman, anak. Thank you. Kita niyo yan?
With daddy mo.
Remember, berries.com.
Bigyan mo nga tip to.
May anak na si Sharla, dahil mabait ka, meron kang pera. Sa'yo, gentle siya magsubo. Sa akin, sungal-ngal. Wala, ayaw.